Hello, everyone. I'm sure you recognize this beautiful face, Egypt Sherrod, and we're so excited to talk to her today about her amazing collection, Indigo Road. It's just beautiful. So, what was your inspiration behind this collection?
For about 15 years, I've been on television and I've never once done a consumer collection because I wanted to make sure that I had the time, the care, and purpose behind it. Otherwise, why do it, right? So finally, I found synergy with my partners here at Japan International in East of Maine, where we had the same core values of what we wanted to convey, what we wanted the consumer to experience. And that's number one, comfortable. Home should be comfortable. And they'll tell you every chair, every piece of furniture. I said, let me sit in it. Let me try it. Can we tweak? Can we do? And luxury. No matter what price point, no matter what your salary is, what you can afford, everyone deserves the luxury and comfort of home. But then also sustainability. I'm a global citizen, as are we all. I wanted to design something that had a conscience that said, you know what, we're making an effort to go the extra step so we can protect the earth and feed communities as well. And so with the materials we're using throughout the line, like you'll see mango wood all throughout, and we chose mango wood because, well, number one, it's a fast growing hardwood. Most will grow at 30 years, mango wood at 15, but also the way that it's harvested, it's from, the pieces that fall, that fall off the tree, the pieces that are burned, those are harvested and then brought to our industry, so there's no waste. And also we're feeding that community and those mango wood farmers. So I love my line. I'm passionate about it. I think we all have a journey to travel. Mine is Indigo Road, and hopefully yours is too. We might as well make it beautiful.
It is beautiful, and I love that earthy, organic aesthetic, and I think that's also becoming very popular right now, right? That people are loving that. So this is amazing. I can't wait for people to look at it and see your amazing collection. Now, my next question, though, is how do you do it all? You're such a busy lady, from podcasts to TV to now furniture and design. How in the world do you manage to keep it all together?
Well, so that's a loaded question, That wasn't a fair question either. So I'm a mom of three, and as I'm here, I'm experiencing mommy guilt in this moment. My two youngest are homesick because it's that season, but also that's why I'm here. The reason that I'm away the reason I'm here is I want my girls to grow up and see mommy did it. Mommy shot for the stars. Mommy made this life count. And so she got up every day, let her feet hit the floor, and the devil said, damn, she's up. So I want my girls, and like I said, I have three, to go forth in life fearlessly and accomplish all that they set out to accomplish, knowing that the only limits we put on ourselves are the ones that we experience. And so if we see a life limitless, then that's what we'll live.
That's beautiful. I love that so much. How's Mike?
Hey, he's the real popular one. That's the real question you wanted to know from the beginning. Well, he has a fan club. We go to Costco. We go out and they just bombard Mike, and I hold the camera. So I love it. He's great. We just celebrated our 14-year anniversary, 19 years together, 14 years of marriage, and it has been an amazing partnership. We're the yin and yang, and he keeps life fun for me. So he's doing great, and it doesn't hurt that he's handsome.
I mean, I know I work with my husband too. So that was going to be the other thing I wanted to. How do you work with your husband day in, day out? Right?
Look, Wednesdays, we agree that's our fallout day. Wednesday, say what you want to say to me. By Thursday, clean it up. But we have our highs and lows. But ultimately, this journey that we've created together, it's good. It works. It works. And why ask why, right?
Have a right system of doing things. That's amazing. I love it. Well, thank you so much for talking to me. And I am so happy to show everybody this amazing collection. It's amazing. Thank you so much.
Here, this is all just this is beyond my dreams.
Thank you so much.